Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to see how to create a daemon set with the latest BusyBox image and see how it runs on all the nodes. Now, this is part of question number 28. So if you want to do this, you can go do the hands-on right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that in a second. So now you can pause the video and get this going, or else let's do it ourselves. So now here I'm going to create a YAML file which is going to have the daemon set defined as the kind. And the best thing about the daemon set is that it's used for monitoring agents, networking, storage, and security. Now the thing about the daemon set is that it's going to run each of available nodes, and this daemon set is going to have this BusyBox pod spin up on all the available nodes. So one of the activity is to check whether it is running on all the nodes. So that is also something which we are going to do as part of our hands-on session. So let's go ahead and do this. So let's just copy this particular YAML file and put it on a file over here called q28.yaml. In this file, we will copy paste the item from our GitHub from the question number 28. And this is basically a daemon set configuration, which actually has a couple of labels over here. And then it's going to have this BusyBox pod running. The BusyBox container running on this pod. Now, this is going to run for 3,600 seconds, which means that kube control apply -f q28.yaml. Now I just created this, and you can see that all pod has this configuration running. All nodes have this pods running. So as you can see over here, worker 1 and worker 2 has the daemon set deployed on it. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.